back to the days, had a younger age under summer rays, far away from the cityscape. Hey, I'm on my way to innovating since MJ. It hasn't been the same. It's the 90s and the funk got fresher. Hip hop is free, suffer the pressure. Say my name, I came to Rockefeller. Baby got back, they call that the hot stepper. Protect your neck, boy. Wu-Tang sweater, 212 back on wax and acapellas. Fringe dweller, ADO nostalgia. M got mojo, Austin Powers. Don't get salty, don't get sour. Green like basil, faulty towers. Check the Fresh Prince, I know it ain't fair. I'm going back, yo home to Billy.
Wish I had a time machine like J Fox and the Doc, but I don't, son. I remember life through verse. That's why I take you back at 33 and a third. The clock turns back to Saturday Disney, rocking go-karts so fast, hurling a frisbee. Those warheads, they made me dizzy. Now through getting busy, I'm reminiscing. It makes me giddy, and what a pity. Innocence dies with greed, like that pet caterpillar I forgot to feed. Was into punk before the raps. Long hair in the mosh pit was always smashed. Then Dre took me on a new ride. Saw dilated beat nuts, big pun, J5. I saw this hip hop, it really inspired me. From a young age, rap helped me through my anxiety. Come on.